Well, hey, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright, guys, so this video is for anybody, I'm going to say 30 years or younger or whatever. Even 30 years and older can watch it too. Y'all are all welcome. Now, today, I'm going to be sharing with you a few ways that's going to make your face look like mine with no makeup. If you haven't already been told this, you ought to slap, just watch the video. So anyways, I know I scared y'all a little bit, showing y'all with my face with no makeup. And I sure hope you decide to stay. I'll try not to do it again, but, you know. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos. Occasionally, I'll go off-grid, though, and do something, do a video that I'm interested in. You know, along with my makeup passion, I'm interested in other things too. But I promise not to disappoint you all the time. If you would, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join my family. And also hit that little bell right there. That way you're notified of every video I upload. I also do a lot of spoilers and you don't want to miss any of them. Now, guys, I'm going to read the first comment from my last video. I will be inserting the first comment right here. Congratulations, Brittany Pearl. Brittany says, hi, I'm new. I love watching your channel. You're so beautiful. Oh, Brittany, you're making me blush. I really appreciate it. And you're beautiful yourself, Brittany. Did you know that? And I'm so glad you found my channel and you decided to join my family. Welcome, baby. Welcome. And thank you so much. I love you so much for taking the time to leave a comment. If you yourself want to get a shout out, just make sure you leave a comment on this here video. You can either set your bell and be first comment, or you can be one of the comments I pick. I mean, you never know. I might pick you. So let's get started with the video, guys. Now, see, guys, I was never told this growing up. My mama never looked at me and said, Mandy, take care of your skin and your face, your pretty little face right now, because in a few years, if you don't, you're going to get your first wrinkle. When you get your first wrinkle, you think, that's it. That's all she wrote.
No, honey.
There's more in store. Look at these bags and my wrinkles now. I can't afford Botox. So the wrinkles on my forehead are worse than an unmade bed. So I am about to stress all the things you shouldn't do so your skin could stay just as tight and pretty just as long as it can, guys. Trust me. We cannot turn back the hands of time. We can't go back in time and tell ourselves, hey, you, take care of that face. Because if we could go back in time, I'd go back to 16-year-old me and I would grab her by the head of the hair and I'd be like,
Stop what you're doing right now.
And first of all, don't be sneaking out that window again. Now, you know better than that. You know Daddy heard you. And then I would tell her. Then I would tell me, now you get your ass in there and get that makeup off your face. Wash it off before you go to bed. I know you're trying to go to bed. You're trying to climb back in the window all quiet like, and then you're going to go to bed without washing your face because you're scared you're going to wake somebody up. Well, let me tell you, girl. I'm you. You're me. You see what you've done to us? I'm telling you, I'd be as mad as a dragon trying to blow out his birthday candles. As mad as a vegan in the deli. As offended as a celebrity at the flea market. And yes, y'all, I've heard it all on YouTube. We put our lives here on YouTube. So I've already heard all the old jokes too. I've had people tell me I'm as old as one of the waitresses at the first supper. I'm as old as the alphabet. I'm as old as the Ferris wheel at the state fair. I'm so old, my memory's in black and white. I'm so old, God signed my yearbook. Yeah, I've heard them all. But I'm still here, and I ain't going nowhere. So, got jokes, bring them all day long. I laugh. You know, when I was that young, I never thought I'd have wrinkles. I figured I would have that young, pretty face forever. You know, it never dawned on me that wrinkles come with time. I just figured, hey, I must have skipped something. Now what? So, first rule, guys. Don't be sleeping in your makeup. At least if you can help it. Now, you know, there are them nights you come home a little bit tipsy and stuff like that, but you make sure you get it off as soon as you get back up. But try to wash your face every morning and every night. And let your face breathe. If you ain't got to wear makeup, if you ain't going nowhere that day, don't slap it on. You don't need it. Now me, I do it. But I'm already ruined, okay? My face is already saddle leather. So, there ain't nothing you can do for me. Don't tug on your eyes or your face for that. When you're washing your face, don't be doing it like all harsh, like, you know, do it gently and like dab it dry. Don't be pulling and doing all that stuff. I used to wash my face, man. I'd have my eyeball clear down here, like my skin clear down there, pulling it down, trying to get the eyeliner off. Don't be doing that. Don't be pulling and tugging on your stuff. Try to get at least 8 hours of sleep every night. Make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids. Make sure you are getting the water down. I think, what is it, like 8 ounces of water a day or 8 glasses of water a day, something like that. But anyways, just remember, you know, no matter how old you are, no matter how young you are, wrinkles do come. Mother Nature, she is not prejudiced. How old are you? 32? Wrinkles. How old are you? 20, but you didn't wash your face like you was supposed to. Wrinkles. Mandy, I'm going to give you a lot of wrinkles and the biggest under eye bags I've ever given anybody. You see, it just happens like that. Mother Nature don't care who you are. She don't care how famous you are. Make sure you take care of your face now. And I just cannot stress that enough, guys. Anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to say. I wanted to get that little message out there. Now it's time for me to insert my message that I picked from my last comment. Right here. Congratulations, Julie Butter. Man, I love that name. That reminds me of a friend I went to high school with. We called her Julie Bean. She was just crazier than a lunatic. Anyways, y'all, Julie said, watch out, beauty brands. There's a new sheriff in town. And if you pull any funny stuff, you'll be answering to Miss Mandy. Love it. Well, Julie, thank you so much for taking the time to leave a comment. And I really do love your name and the comment. I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And as always, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and join my family. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So get on down there and hit that button. And also, guys, if you would rate the video and just give it a thumbs up, don't even pay attention to that thumbs down thing down there. I don't know why they got that button there. It don't even work, so don't even try to hit it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what you guys are liking. And one more tiny favor, and I know, God dang, YouTube has got so many things to do. Make sure you hit that little bell right there. That way you're notified of every video I upload. Again, I do a lot of spoilers. You don't want to miss them. I get them out fast too, y'all. And I'm so sorry. I feel like I have to apologize for YouTube because they got you doing 20 damn different steps just to tell somebody, hey, I like your channel and I want to be a part of it. I'm so sorry, y'all. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys. And for my last video, which was Dear or Hey You YouTube viewer, or it was called something like that. I ain't even edited it yet. Matter of fact, I ain't even got comments on it yet because I ain't got it uploaded yet. So I will be inserting it. I forgot my damn paper. Wrinkles. Wrinkles. Just watch the video.